Hi everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karisma Diah Pitaloka. I am study of PGRI Ronggolawe University Tuban from Biology Study Program. To give a presentation about genetic inheritance, my presentation is parts. Definition of inheritance, first of all, principle of segregation, secondly, principle in alleles, thirdly, determine genotype, thirdly, monohybrid cross, fifthly, determine cross, sixthly, incomplemented dominated, seventhly, co-dominated, and last. Slide 1. Definition of inheritance. The inheritance of trait in plant occurs through inheritance of trait or heredity, namely the process of passing trait from parents to their offspring, and chromosomes are one of the main components in the process of inheritance of traits in plants because chromosomes carry genetic information for heredity traits. Principle of segregation. Each chromosome has two copies of a gene or trait, one on each chromatid. These two chromatids separate or segregate during meiosis when gametes are formed. And parental sperm contributes one of its copies of a trait to its offspring. The The chances of contributing either factor are equal 50-50. We now know that the unit of heredity are gene and the different. We now know the unit of heredity are genes and the different form of the gene are called alleles. Next slide, principle in alleles. If the offspring has two dominant alleles, the offspring will appear to show the dominant trait. If the offspring has one dominant allele and one recessive allele, the offspring will show the dominant trait. If the offspring has two recessive alleles, the offspring will show the negative trait. Each individual carries one copy of a gene allele from their mother and one copy of a gene allele from their father. Can be seen in the pictures. Two alleles, green parts and yellow parts, are mated or crossed. The next line, determine genotype. We can now infer an organism genotype by simply observing his phenotype. A genotype, which copies of the gene the organism has, will phenotype the property shown by the organism. Dominant allele is capitalized while recessive alleles are lowercase. If the organism has two of the same allele, the organism is called homozygous. To be capitalist, homozygous dominant, and to be lowercase, homozygous recessive. If the organism has one of each allele, the organism is called the next slide, monohybrid cross. A monohybrid cross is a simple cross between two pairs hybrid that only pay attention to one different trait, mono. This monohybrid cross is closely related to Mendeleev's law, which is about the separation of allele. Gene are known as the law of segregation. This allele separation if even is seen when making individual gametes that have the heterozygote. The separation even is seen when making individual gametes that have the heterozygote genotype. For example, purple pea flower, lowercase. The next slide. The hybrid cross. The hybrid cross which is a cross between two individuals with two with is a cross between two individuals with two different traits. The hybrid cross is related to Mendele's second law, which states that if two individuals have two or more traits of trait, then a pair of traits will be inherited independently, and alleles will, if red trait genes do not influence its alter. For example, peach with rock yellow shades and be symbolized with two Y capitals and two R capitals, and the green will two lowercase and R lowercase. However, in complemented dominant, some alleles show in complement dominant blade of trait instead of one or the other. For example, red flower and white flower making pink flower. In complemented dominant, the phenotype of a homozygous dominant individual would be different than the phenotype of the heterozygote individual. Next slide. Codominance occurs when both alleles are visible in the phenotype but not mixed alike in complement dominant. For example, his camellia flower is not pink, instead its plants have red and white parts. Conclusion: inheritance in plants in not sample not only homozygous and heterozygous, but there is also incomplete dominance and simultaneous dominance. We are two ways of crossing in plants, namely monohybrid and dihybrid.